I really love radiant, like luminous skin. I actually never like the foundation to mask or hide the skin.
I've definitely had that in my past.
Okay, let's not do that.
Not going back.
The trick to finding the right shade is to take 2 to 3 that are closest to your skin tone. So this would be linen for you, and also sand.
And you said you want to let them sit so you know what they look like after time, right?
Right, they oxidize, right? So you want to make sure that it dries and sort of like blend it in.
Okay.
And you want to pick the one that disappears.
That would be the lighter color.
Absolutely. So first you want to start with moisturized skin. This is a really nice moisturizer. So the reason you want to have well moisturized skin, you don't want to have any dry patches. So you want to make sure you're really well hydrated before you apply. So when applying, I like to put most of the formula right in the center of the face. That's where people need the most coverage. And then you can diffuse it and blend it out to the sides of the face. So then when it sort of blends out seamlessly, it looks more real. We have this amazing retractable brush. Go in and then blend like this. And so you kind of feather it out. You can flip it on its side and press into the skin. I love foundation when it's pressed into the skin. So that's either with the brush or with your hands. Your skin kind of starts to absorb it and it feels like your skin. It doesn't look like the foundation's wearing you. You look like you're wearing the foundation.
I love it. It doesn't look like I'm even really wearing a lot of makeup.
Oh, good. Tint skin is actually one of my most proud moments. I really did try very hard to formulate a foundation that actually looks like skin and melting into your skin. So I'm glad you love it.
Christy, I love this. Thank you. This is amazing.